So, hey, this is Jeff Goldstein. I'm with Realty Executives of St. Louis. You guys know me. Our team is home base STL, and you can't see me because I'm kind of doing an interview with Michelle Lewis from First Integrity Mortgage, but I am going to come and sit down and start asking her questions. This is a little different than we used to do. Here I come around the corner, and I am right here, and I'm hoping the video machine is on. So, Michelle.
Hello.
Tell us about First Integrity Mortgage and about you. How'd you get in the business?
Sure.
And anything else you want to tell us?
All right. Thank you for having me today. I am a mortgage loan officer, a senior mortgage loan officer with First Integrity Mortgage. I love our company. I started there in July, but I've been doing mortgages since about 2002. So.
Your experience.
Right. I've been around the mortgage industry for a very long time, just as of this year with First Integrity, but it's by far been the most amazing experience, and everything that they said in our recruiting, it all came to fruition. It's all true. You never know when you interview with a company or when they're talking. For sure. Yeah, or when they're talking to you, if everything that they're promising you is the real deal, and it really has been amazing, and it's wonderful. It's one of the favorite things in my life is my company. So
you're working with anybody who wants to buy and sell?
That is correct.
Excuse me, anybody who wants to buy.
Right, but someone that's selling is typically buying. So
True.
So I will also talk to people that are selling as well, because they're moving somewhere, and a lot of times it's to either move up, move down, but we can accommodate all of that.
Nice. Now, what kind of products do you guys carry? I mean, everybody says they've got products.
Right. We do. We have more products and programs to qualify people than any other companies in town. There's so many. We have the USDA, FHA, VA, conventional loans. We have a doctor program. We have a program that somebody up to $780,000 can put 5% down and not have mortgage insurance. Bank statement programs, first responder programs. It's endless, and there's just more and more that I learn every single day on the programs that we do offer, and I'm delighted. So
they're a good company to work for. Are they on the internet as far as reviews? Can people see their reviews?
They are the number one. They have so many 5-star Google reviews. You check it out, and it's a testimony to our company and the great things that we are doing. Is 5-star Google reviews. As far as you can scroll down, you can just continue to see customers explain their situation and explain their experience with First Integrity.
Cool. Question: if you could tell a buyer,
right,
whether they be a first-time buyer or somebody who's selling and moving up in a bigger house, what is the one thing that's very important that they do with you? I mean, what's the most important thing as far as keeping in touch with you? Is it getting the information when you need it?
Yes, really that would be probably the most important thing, and asking questions before you take action. I just did a video clip at my office the other day about do's and don'ts during the mortgage process, so that I'll post that soon. But basically, yes, definitely provide the documentation that's requested as quickly as possible. Also, before you make any changes to your credit, you want to speak to your loan officer. So if you're closing out any credit cards, talk to me first. If you're going to be increasing any credit balances, talk to me first. If you're going to deposit any large amounts of money, we need to talk. Any changes to your situation, you want to tell your loan officer beforehand.
So if you're thinking about changing jobs, better call you.
Right, beforehand. You and I actually have a customer, and our customer asked, hey, is it okay if I change my job? This particular customer, he's changing. It's going to be the same field. Income's going to be higher, and he has time, if he did make that decision, to provide a pay stub before, we
Right.
close. So in his particular situation, it's fine, but if you're going from, you're a nurse and now you're going into retail sales, well, that may not translate into something that we may be able to use. So it could be a problem. So it's
Right.
just speak with me and I'll go over it all with you and I'll guide you through it.
Cool. Good information. Hey, this is Michelle Lewis. At the end of the video here, which is coming to an end very shortly, you're going to see her information. You can contact her even if you just need to ask a question. You don't have to be a client. Just
Right.
ask a question. She'd be glad to answer it. And you know what you want to do with me? You want to buy or sell? You'll see my information at the end of the video. Again, this is Jeff Goldstein, Home Base STL. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.